Earlier this year, a study was published by Jaime Fernandez, which dealt with a study looking at 6 weeks of training with elite-level junior tennis players. And during this study, Jaime used a series of Thera-Band exercises for rotator cuff strengthening, scapular strengthening, and general upper extremity strengthening, as well as a series of medicine ball exercises and core stabilization training. After the 6 weeks of training, Jaime found that they actually increased the speed of the serve by 5 miles an hour. There were also improvements in shoulder range of motion. This is just one example of how a Thera-Band resistive exercise can be integrated into the training of an elite-level junior tennis player. And by doing this, we actually found that we had a functional performance measurement. As many of you may be aware, there are prior studies that showed strengthening the shoulder does lead to improvements in serving velocity. And this is a particularly important one by Jaime, showing that using Thera-Band and a series of core exercises actually led to an improvement in serving velocity. We can sell this or help this with compliance with athletes, telling them that not only will they get stronger and things that we all know as therapists and trainers know that helps the athlete, but also they will get a functional or can get a functional performance improvement as well.